you never miss another video. Let's get going. Where we going? Train museum. Where? Wait. Train museum. Where? Let's get going. Where? And also we're going to the train museum if you're wondering why I said run over a ride train. So, which car are we going in? This one or this one? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. See you later. We're here and we're at the train museum. So my father's going to get the tickets for awesome train ride. So there's so much trains. So if you're wondering where the train ride is, it's over there, and we're at Locomotion. So let's go on the train ride. Oh, everybody, look at these little trains. Look at these little trains. So we've bought the tickets. So let's look around here first before we go on the train ride. Come on, don't stop. Come on. Did I say come on? Come on, guys. We just found this. It's so awesome. And look at the next underground train. That's just one.
There's cleaning.
Oh, yeah. So let's go somewhere else.
Don't touch it with.
Instead of looking here all day, let's go. How can it? And then when we go back, it's like awesome. Trains are so much bigger than the other ones. Oh, looks like they stopped. Let's go. Look at this. These trains are so long and where's the other one? Where's the other one? Where's the other one? Now we have to do it under. I think it's coming this way. I think it's coming this way, guys. So, hey, that's the. Oh, looks like that's the wrong train. We're not looking for that train. We're looking for the other train. Yo, we just saw another train. That one's really slow. That one's really slow. Oh, the other one stopped. So, come on, guys. So, come on, guys. We bought some stuff and I wasted over £5. And also, I bought these two. And also, I bought this car. My sister bought Mickey Mouse. She already got tons. So let's go to the next train. This car is like racing. This car is just like so fast. Just like a real car. So let's go somewhere else now. Bye. Oh, this is like a royal train. King Edward and King Thingy, Queen Thingy, and his birthday. This is a royal train. And look at that symbol. So let's go to our next train, which is right behind the camera. This is the same old train, and look in there. There's the feet. Right now I'm a bit like high, so that's why we're on the steps.
There's the one with fudge inside.
So let's hit some steps. Guys, beware. Guys, you need to beware. Look at this. You need to beware. So come on, let's have a step.
We'll have to come back here next week and bring all your pocket money and buy whichever one you want.
looks like these are closed. Okay, we can't enter. Oh, it looks like we can't enter.
Bed inside.
Enter, guys.
See the bed.
So,
Look at this. No, no.
European looks like director's saloon is a train for train officers. So it's for train officers. So let's go into our next train. Wait, it's an electric train. It's an electric train. Here's a game. Here's a game here. So let's start. Yeah, 21. My score is 21. I beat my score. Let's play again. I have the ticket, so let's go this way. Excuse me, can I have a ride? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. I have the tickets here. Let's go. Excuse me. I have the ticket. Excuse me. Dad, thank you. No. Come, guys, let's go. Hey! It's gonna move.
If you don't, there you go.
You want to keep that as a souvenir? Yeah?
Hello. Come on. Let's go, guys. Wait. We're on the train right now, so let's see. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? The back one? No, the front one, yes. Oh, that's smoky. That is very smoky. That's actually very smoky. Don't look
Maximum
down.
speed for this train is 28 miles per hour.
So, hey. Okay, so as you know, he told you blah blah blah. So do not look here. New rule of the train. Do not look down there. It's very smoky. So, when will this train drive? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's driving. It's about to drive. Hey you! It's about to drive
Yeah.
you. So I was just like, so these tickets are our souvenirs, and also these are, and we paid the tickets down there. I don't think we paid them. I think we didn't. So as you can see at the back of the train, there's more trains which you can't ride on. And wait. There's walkie-talkie right there. Wait. And what's the hole? I guess we are making a train. Come on, where's this thing going? You think nobody believed me that's going, but now they will believe me. With the flag man's there. Oh, where is he? But he's just letting go. He's waving a flag. Oh, there it is. It's going. The play area. Was it you? Surely, I bought this train for the video ending. And also, this train's the same as this. And if you're wondering why I would like this train when it has this, it's because you can take the train out. But you can take the train out and play with it. And also it's the same. And also, if you're wondering, do the wheels move? They do. Wheels move. They do move. They do move. So, see you later on another awesome adventure. After running away. Okay, I just ran away as you saw me. So, so this was actually very, very fun and energetic. And I think this is classic. Ooh, a Lamborghini, I think. Okay, well, just whatever. Time to go home and do another amazing adventure. Bye.